So 2.2 says determine the equation of the least squares regression line for the data. Now the least squares regression formula looks like this: y is equals to a plus bx. Then if we want to find our formula, these values of a and b, we first need to input all of these values onto our scientific calculator. So we input, or we press mode and then number 3 for stat, then number 2 for a plus bx, which is the formula that we want. And then once it gets to this screen, you're going to enter all the x values. In this case, it will be 26 and 32 and 36 and on up until you finish all the x values. And then you go back up here and then you start again with the y values. So 48 and 30 and 26. You need to make sure that the x and y values they coordinate, so they should be the same as they are shown on the graph. Then once you are done inputting all your values, you then press AC and press shift and stat. Then here we will be able to find the information of all our inputs. So if I select number 4, this will give me the mean and standard deviation, but this is not what we're looking for currently. So if you go back, press shift stat and then number 5, you'll get your values for a, b and r. So we can take down these values. Firstly, a will be 90.47. so a is 90.47. we can capture that, and then we can find the value of b by doing a similar thing, pressing number 5 then number 2 for b equals minus 1.77. so we write down these values. We have a and we also have the value for b. So once we get these values, we will be able to write down our formula, or prediction formula, which would be 90.48 minus 1.77x. That will be your least squares regression line formula.